to the side. Double jab. There you go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Try cut with it. There you go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Add the left hook. Jab. Double jab. Jab, hop back, right hand. Add the left hook. There you go. Jab. Jab, step right hand. Add the left hook. There you go. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Settle down a little bit. 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. Jab. 1, 2. Double jab. Triple jab. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Head movement. Give them different looks. Step out, right hand, left hook. So step out. There you go again. There you go. Then pivot after that. There you go. Check hook this time. There you go. Jab. Double jab. Triple jab. 1, 2, 1, 2. Again. There you go. Add left hook. There you go. Jab. Double jab. Jab. Hop back. Right hand, left hook. There you go. Check hook with that. Double jab. Triple jab. Different looks. Move around the ring a little bit. I'm coming in, pivot off. There you go. Coming in, step out. There you go. Double jab. Your head moving. Different looks. Pick them out a little bit. Look, get up tight, nice and tight, and rip to the body. There you go. Nice and tight. And rip to the body. There you go. Different looks. Surprising with that jab. There you go. Different looks. Fang jab. There you go. Fang double jab. Fang double jab right hand. A little more fang. All right, more again. 1, 1, 1, 2. All right, a little bit sharper with that jab. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Add the left hook. Jab. 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 1, 2, 3. Add the check hook. All right, run them off. Run them off. Get that right hand tight. Your arm. What do you think? Come on, come on. Come on, start over. Let's go.